2431 3rd Street, Unit 7 is located in a prime Ocean Park area of Santa Monica. Within walking distance, you'll be able to enjoy the unique shops on Main Street and local favorites like the Earth Cafe. A beautiful stretch of beach is also close by. The upstairs hosts a large and spacious great room. The living room has built-in cabinets and shelves for an entertainment center. Out these French doors, we come to the terrace with incredible ocean, mountain, and city views. Next, we have the dining area that's warmed by a gas-powered brick fireplace. From the dining room, we flow into the kitchen, which boasts modern appliances, lots of cabinets, and unique pull-out shelves to maximize space. The upstairs bathroom is beautifully tiled with matching fixtures and a glass shower. From there, we move downstairs and we come to the rooms and the master bathroom. This shower has 2 shower heads. The first room is spacious. It has a large closet with mirror doors. The second room also has lots of space, mirror doors, and a sliding door to the outside. At 1,201 square feet, this 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo could be the perfect fit for you. Contact Rod Aragon to find out more.